Constant stress about money isn't just about lacking it, it's psychological exhaustion from endless mental math. Financial calm isn't having millions, it's knowing you'll be okay in crises, sleeping peacefully regardless of income. Step 1. Build a calm buffer. Start with $1,000 emergency fund. It gives options when surprises hit. Car breaks? Instead of panic, you fix it without derailing life. $1,000 buys breathing room. Scale to 3 months expenses. Exit survival mode. Brain shifts from fear to growth. Step 2. Gain control. Track every dollar for 30 days. See where money leaks. Forgotten subs? Unplanned coffee? Cut what doesn't serve you. Reclaim agency. Step 3. Eliminate high-interest debt. Credit cards at 22% plus are a suffocating trap. Paying off debt lifts a massive psychological weight. You breathe again. Interest compounds against you. Kill it fast to stop the bleeding. Step 4. Build confidence with small wins. Save $1,000, pay a card, negotiate a bill. Wins prove you have agency. Momentum spills into better negotiations and opportunities. Step 5. Shift mindset. Scarcity sees money as limited, saving as punishment. Abundance sees money as a tool for options. Saving and investing builds freedom. Sequence matters. Calm first, then growth. Don't invest big until stress is gone. Start small. Build $1,000 buffer. Track spending. Pay one debt. Momentum builds. Once calm, you notice opportunities. Brain stops survival mode. Calm leads to better decisions, higher earnings, real wealth over time. Financial calm is achievable. No need for millions first. Intentional steps win. Pick one step. Save $50 this week. Track expenses. Pay extra on debt. You're not stuck. Small changes create massive peace. Start your calm journey today and watch stress fade. You've got this. See you next time. Take the first step now. Like if this helped, comment your biggest takeaway, and subscribe with bell on. Next video coming soon.